And so, the English Premier League is back up and running. And you know what that means? It's just a matter of time, and Liverpool will be home and dry. And look, no matter with the foolishness, there will be no asterisk or COVID cursor beside Liverpool, the 2019-2020 EPL champions. I want to tell you this title win will go down as one of, if not the most dominant title win in the history of the league. The little COVID delay will not take away a modicum of joy from us Liverpool fans. Right now, I just want to get them few little points here, collect the trophy, and start planning to go win it back next season. And this is my mates there. And just in case there are any lingering thoughts that the league might stop again, and for example, a cluster of Manchester United players test positive for COVID-19. Not even that kind of strategic accident can keep the trophy out of the Liverpool cabinet, because the contingency is now in place that in case the season ends prematurely for whatever reason, then points per game ratio would be used, and that would still give Liverpool the title by a distance. Anyway, Liverpool winning aside, it's good to have the EPL back. This is still by far the best and most popular football league in the world. But while all EPL fans generally celebrate the resumption of the league, for Liverpool fans, there is even more intrigue.